Oh, Kevin Hart, look at him go. Alright guys, welcome to the video. I'm super excited to share this one today, I'm not going to lie. This is a tip that I think is going to help you out massively with your product research, and it's just going to give you so many ideas for ways that you can be creative with brands and products and all that stuff. So stick around, don't miss it. I just wanted to give you a bit of an introduction to myself. If you're new to the channel, my name's Alex, I'm one half of The Honest Entrepreneurs, and the point of this channel is to give you an inside look at a real Amazon FBA business, and we're just documenting our journey as we go, trying to share our learnings. We really enjoy making these videos, so if you do like the content, please subscribe and all of that jazz. So what you'll see in the background here is our Shopkeeper account, and this is basically our main sort of dashboard that just tracks all of our sales, all of our profit, all of that stuff. So we are real Amazon sellers, as you can see here on the left hand side. Today we've done just over 61 sales at just over $400 profit. We did just under $400 profit yesterday, and just over 103 sales. It's the 14th of March as I'm recording this, and we've done nearly $36,000 so far this month. Our profit is a little bit low on the margin side this month because we launched 2 new products about 2 weeks ago, so we're heavily ramping up the PPC for those. All right, so let's get into it. What is this amazing tip? So let's go over here and have a look. So you might recognize this. It's TikTok, right? Everybody is talking about TikTok. It's this crazy new channel that has appeared as a marketer that, to be honest, I'm still pretty inexperienced in. We've never done any marketing on TikTok itself, but you can't really escape it. Even if you don't have the ad, you've probably seen clips from there. You know what the app is. It's taken the world by storm. Like, I'm not really sure in terms of business revenue and all of that stuff how well it's doing. I assume it's absolutely killing it. But yeah, you can't avoid having seen TikTok. If you've never heard of it, then I don't know what you've been doing, living under a rock. But yeah, so this amazing tip that I wanted to share with you, and to be honest, the more that I look at it, the more exciting it is for me, is TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and all of these apps and companies, they have what's called ad libraries. So this one here is TikTok's ad library. So basically what they allow you to do is they allow you to go in there and look at the top performing ads and allow you to filter it by region, by industry, by campaign objective. They allow you to see the top performing ads on basically any niche. Basically what they're saying is, come and take a look at all of our data, come and take a look at all of the ads that all of the companies are running on our platform, and see which ones are performing the best. Now, why this is so exciting for me is because it really helps you understand trends. It helps you delve into different niches and kind of see what's hot right now. So what I'm going to show you a bit of an example, right? So what I've done here is I've filtered this by the United States because that's the market that we sell in, and you can pick a lot of different categories. So I've picked babies, kids, and maternity. These categories are actually pretty close to the Amazon categories, funny enough. And then here you can pick different ones. You can pick different campaign objectives. But the one that I want to look at is conversions, right? So I want to see which of all of the ads in the last 7 days on TikTok in the baby niche have led to a conversion. So this is basically telling us the hot products in the baby niche right now. So let's take a look at this one here, right? This was one that caught my eye because I was kind of like, what is it? So I'm going to play it and hopefully you can hear it okay. It's going to be about 20 seconds or so. Well, let's have a look.
If you are a mom with a busy toddler, you should keep watching this video. I have recently discovered a product that has made my life immensely easier with my 2-year-old. And of course, I had to share it with all my fellow TikTok moms. Do you see this wonderful thing? It is covered in buckles. Now, I don't know about you, but my toddler will do buckles all day. She currently very strongly dislikes being in the car. So for the past few days, I have been handing her this with the buckles undone, and she hasn't screamed in the car in 2 days. If you have a busy toddler and they like to do buckles, bring this to a restaurant. Take this on.
All right, so you get the idea, right? What's amazing about this for me is this helps you understand customer pain points. So obviously this woman it's made to look like a native Instagram story or something, right? This woman has obviously been paid for this. She's probably an influencer, whatever it is. The point is just think about what she said, right? She's describing the problems that a parent has, that, you know, they have a toddler that they're putting in the car, it screams, it's stressful, blah, blah, blah. She's describing a problem, and then somebody has come up with this product to address that problem. So obviously, like, you would have to look on Amazon and see, is there demand for this product? It might be a flash in the pan, whatever, but this is what's so interesting about this for me. It's just crazy interesting. There's so many different ideas in here, and it really just gives you an insight into what are the problems of your target demographic. So if you're interested in launching a baby product, you need to start by understanding who the customer is, and then you need to start by understanding what their problems are, what products currently exist on the market, and how can we help them solve that problem. And it might give you an idea for a completely new product. Or if you're looking at a product on Amazon and you're kind of trying to think, how can I stand out? How can I do this differently? Come here and do the research, and it might give you a little bit of an idea for how you can stand out and how you can do your branding differently, how you can talk to the customers. It's just full of absolute nuggets. Like there's so many of these like weird products that I've never seen before. Obviously this is in the baby niche, which is absolutely massive. You could probably spend hours just looking at these things. Like these I've never seen before.
Multifunction bag is the last bag you'll ever need. It has a ton of pockets.
All right, so I mean that's nothing revolutionary, right? But this one I saw a couple of times, Kid Box. So I don't know whether this is some sort of service. Thanks, Kidbox. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that one is, but I mean these ones I've seen before, these towels, but look at the designs on these. These are cool. Swaddle set, whatever that means. So there's just tons of things in here. So I did another search. I went on, what did I go on? I went on United States again, sports and outdoor conversions. This was one that I kept seeing popping up. So this is like a rowing machine. Oh, Kevin Hart, look at him go. So this is obviously massive, right? This is Hydro Machine. This is obviously a huge company. You can see they're getting Kevin Hart in on doing this. But you can go through and you can see, I think there was another one. This one down here was interesting for me.
No one is talking about how this 180-pound portable gym machine is taking over the fitness industry. I got mine a month ago.
So people are working out from home, you know. This guy's obviously jacked. But it's just so interesting, man. And like honestly, I've never really like checked this out super in depth. But you can also do this for Facebook. I think you can do it for Instagram as well. You see stuff like this, right? But it's just whatever niche that you want to go into, there's going to be so much you can learn in here. So again, if you look at this, you know, pets, technology, travel. Let's have a look at travel. You know, like hopefully once COVID is completely over and all that stuff, you can see it. But this is basically telling you, you know, what people are buying. It's crazy, man. It's just, you know, you're obviously going to play around with the filters and all that stuff. But my point with this is this is crazy that you can actually go in here and you can see what products are trending. You might be able to, you know, see a niche that's starting to emerge. And you look at it and you think, all right, is this going to be an evergreen niche? Is this going to be a flash in the pan? You obviously kind of want to stay away from flash in the pans, but you know, there might be niches emerging because of COVID or just because of remote work or whatever it is. And if you can start to identify those niches, and then you can start to build brands and enter those niches, and who knows where you could be in a few years. So that's it. Yeah, it's the TikTok library. Also check out the Instagram one, like I said. Check out the Facebook one because they're also super interesting. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. That I was excited to share this tip because I think it's a really great one, not only for product research and for finding new products, but if you're already selling existing stuff, it's going to give you great ideas for copy. Like a lot of these top performing ads, it's really clever the way that they talk to the customer. You know, the way they create that engagement, and don't forget that it's not just TikTok that you need to create engagement. When people are browsing, their attention span is very short, so you need to be catching their attention. You need to be getting people to click on your listing on Amazon. So try and absorb all of these ideas from all of these different companies. Just have fun with it. You know, I'm probably going to spend an hour or so doing some research into our niche on TikTok tonight because I think there's a ton that you can get out of it. So I hope you like the video. Yeah, if this is the first video you've seen of us, please give us a like and subscribe and a comment below. Let me know if you've got any ideas for any other stuff that you want me to cover or Tom to cover, and I will see you in the next video.